Hey guys, MrWaheedulHaque back on another video. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to clean your tailpipes. As you can see, these used to be chrome if you watched my last video. These are gone fully black from dirt and stuff.
It's because your turbo, my guy.
Inshallah. Oh yeah, also I'm going to be getting the back box cut out. So the back box is right there. So that's going to be cut out, and we're going to get 2 more tailpipes on this side. So it'll sound a bit louder, but not be too loud. Okay, so what you're going to need is soapy water, which is this for brushing it, just a microfiber cloth, that's fucking massive, and tear remover. First we're going to clean it off for a bit, see what comes off first. Yeah, put it, mix it.
I don't know if you did.
Okay, you want to hold the camera?
I'll
spray down. Eh?
I'll spray.
Okay, you spray down.
Oh, that's nice and warm.
Yeah, because I put hot water in it. So that's just soap and water, you just mix it together. Don't get the inside, just outside. Open it. Oh no. Yeah, don't put it on the inside. Get the bottom as well. That smells nice.
Very lookable.
Doesn't matter if you get some inside, but should be alright. And just put as much as you can, a lot through. Let it soak for a bit.
So I'm going to do a backspace so we can get this part in it.
So right.
Let it saturate within the.
Inshallah. No, we need microfiber. We use tar remover after that. Just clean it off with this as much as we can. See how much shit comes out of this. Alright, we're going to wipe it down with the microfiber cloth now. Yeah, right, bye. Go for it, just go around it. It's a bit hard, isn't it? Oh, it's already fucking come off. You might actually not even need tar remover that much. A lot of the black stuff just come off.
Bloody hell.
As you can see, that's just using soap. Soapy water. Look how dirty that is. Fucking hell. Look at the colour come back now. Already it's coming back. But with tar remover it should bring back that shine.
Yeah, the chrome is dirty.
Is it dry now?
Yeah.
Put some tar remover over it. Look how dirty that is. Fucking hell.
Bloody hell.
That's all the exhaust shit on it.
No,
that's just with soap. We're going to do the tar remover now to get that shine back. As you can see.
Do you want to show your viewers the view?
What's the view? Ah, you bastard. There's a bee.
Huh?
There's a bee next to me. That be on that. The green side, yeah?
Yeah.
So we're going to use a tar remover now on this sponge. This is just a car plan one.
This is literally as cheap as £2 something.
Yeah, or you can get the Optical one, but they're more expensive. Very expensive actually. Yeah, now you just want to scrub it with this. Oh, you're on the wrong side, you don't care.
What do you mean?
No, use the green side.
You said blue side.
Green side.
Even says on your video.
You go. Yes. Okay, make sure you put on the green side. I don't know why you put on the red side. Other side, but it will do.
So
very tight in it. If you can take off the tips, that would be beneficial, but we can't. It's very difficult.
See a lot of dirt coming out.
Yeah. Just rubbing it with that. See what comes out of it. Hopefully it'll be a lot cleaner. Well, it's still a lot cleaner from what it was before. I bet the chrome is coming back.
I forgot how nice it smelled.
It is nice, isn't it?
People are gonna think, what the fuck? Birds are people that like the smell of petrol.
Some black. Put some tar remover on the next one now. Scrape it as much as you want. Yeah, put some more tar remover on. Do the next side. And then we'll wash it down with this and wipe it off. Yeah? What do you think?
Yes, sir.
It's hard to do.
Oh, I just want to get stuck in there.
Fucking hell, that smells nice. If you now watch my tint videos, go check them out. Look how dark they are. So nice. Oof, oof. Look at the reflectors. So these are just exhaust tips, by the way. But they used to be chrome. Should get that chrome back. It is looking like it will be. Oh, what's that? Plastic.
Yeah, that's my finger going up against the plastic.
Okay.
You on camera? Yeah, fucking vest clean, mate. No, it actually is.
It's gone chrome in it.
Yeah, there you can see it.
And that's what the tar remover does. So that's how you do it. If you need to do more coats, if you need to afterwards.
That's what I was thinking.
We'll see how it looks first.
So now you gotta let that saturate for a bit. Make sure whatever you do not put this sponge that way. Leave it that side, because obviously that's actually cleaning it.
What are you doing now?
Yeah, mate.
That does smell good, innit?
That's a good stuff. Okay, now I'm gonna spray it down with the water, yeah.
Alright, I'm gonna start spraying it.
Yep.
Get rid of any surface dirt. Okay, now the colour is coming back. Look at the colour. The chrome is back completely now. Remember how it was at the start? Fully black. Look at that chrome. Yo, that's sick. I was a bit skeptical at first if it would work, but it did work. Wow. It's a 5-minute job as well. And we can do more coats to make it even brighter, but that's fine. I think that's fine. What do you think? Looks fucking banging, that. Comes back like that, bro.
I think personally you should let me drive the car. What?
Inshallah. Yeah. What do you think?
I think I want to do one more coat.
Coat of that?
Yeah.
Yeah. Alright guys, so that's how you do it anyway. We're gonna end the video. We're just gonna do one more coat anyway. But yeah, for now I'll just end the video because that's how it looks. Look how nice that is, guys. The chrome's back fully. Just need to give it a clean one more time and do another coat of that. It'll be a bit more shinier and be nice. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you're new. See you guys next time. Goodbye.